So right here, this was Thursday's move. It basically just fell out of the sky, you know. So I called it, and it wind up hitting two of our targets. So that's the reason why we're seeing a clean chart now, because we're going to make new targets together. I'm also going to put in support and resistance for the hourly time frame, and that's because I use the 1 hour support and resistance, and then I will trade on my 5 minute. So I will show you that, but we're going to do it all together. I felt like that made a little bit more sense today. All right, so like always, we have our Friday candle. We need that high and we need that low. So we're going to go and we're going to put that in there. And I have them labeled because I was starting to get confused on what lines were what, so I needed to label them. All right. So we have our high of day put in. We have our low of day put in. Now we need to put in our swing lows and swing highs, the ones that are important. Don't go in there putting 50 million lines in. It's just going to confuse you. I'm going to make these lines probably white because I think that makes sense to me. And I'm going to label them just as pivot points. Oh, it's not white. It's red with dotted. I don't know if I like that. All right, let's go with key levels. That is a white line. I like white. All right. And so that is our only swing high on the day. And next we'll go for our swing low. I'm going to put two in. Those are two that stick out to me, two that make sense. So you're able to see, I'm not going to call out the levels. If you look at the side of my chart, the levels have the numbers already there. So you can literally just pause the video and, mark in those levels so that it's precise for you. All right. So we have high of the day, low of the day, key levels.